When navigating Manage mode, you will certainly interact with this file type icon that appears on the top right of a given file. This icon quickly indicates what type of file this is. You'll likely have seen icons like JPEG, RAW files, ACDSee files, and PNGs, like the ones that you see here. This isn't anywhere near an exhaustive list, though. There are actually a fairly large list of files that can be read and written by ACDSee, including some that you wouldn't expect, like multimedia files and documents. If I navigate to the Help contents from the menu bar and search Supported File Formats, a comprehensive list will pop up that includes images ACDSee can open, images ACDSee can save or export, which archive formats ACDSee can view, write in, and any video or Microsoft Office files ACDSee supports. For a more comprehensive list of the exact raw file format ACDSee handles, you can find that in the link below in the description. These file formats will be represented with their own icon. For example, I can drag and drop this Word document file into the folder here, and as you can see, it has its own icon. Interestingly, file types that you don't think you'd be able to open up in ACDSee, like this Word file, are viewable in ACDSee. But when you click Edit, for example, an external software native to the file will open, prompting you to edit it there. In this way, we can view ACDSee as an extension or a manager of not just image files, but also of PDF files, for example, or things like document files. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.